So I guess a lot of people have been facing this issue of not being able to get into the game, and I've been trying my best to get into the game for the last 1 week. So I watched literally every single video there is about getting a fix, and then I posted on Reddit and on the Discord server about how I can possibly get a fix, but apparently there isn't any fix. Like if you get to watch any video on YouTube, like literally thousands of videos out there. So I tried watching the videos that has been posted in the last couple of months, specifically the last few weeks, to see if the problem was recent and the fix, since the fixes keeps changing and the problems of this fucking game keeps changing from time to time, like the seasons. So anyway, what worked for me this time, and this is probably one of the most effective solutions, I guess, which I found out after trying it myself, is that you restart the game when it doesn't work out. And that's not really a smart solution, but when it doesn't work out, you change the server. And when you watch a lot of videos about the fixes, they're going to tell you, like, just change the server, it's going to work. No, it's not going to fucking work. Obviously it's not going to work. I watched like 50 fucking videos and it's not going to work. And maybe it's going to work for you and it's not going to work for someone else. See, even if after I got into the game, into the lobby that is, I was sent back. It's not working. So this is the part where I change my server and then try again. Keep trying servers and maybe one of them might work. So I don't know if this is a fix, but it's still pretty fucking annoying. I mean, it's still better than not playing the game. I mean, if it's a big deal to you, you can just, if it's not a big deal to you, you can just not play the game and do something else, I guess. But for me, since I was bored and I was frustrated for not being able to play the game peacefully in like the last 10 days, I guess. So I was like, getting desperate to find solutions to play the game. So I guess I'll just jump out of the map because this worked, and you could play the game and then see if it works again. This is exactly what I was talking about. Like, it was not just the fact that I was not being able to get into the lobby, I was also being thrown back to like step 1, back into the menu after I was able to get into the match after all that bullshit. So the whole thing should possibly make you stop playing this fucking game until the developers do something about it. So in this part, what I'm trying to do is that, like, part of the other solutions that I got from Discord is that you use a different account which you don't usually use, or create a new account. I just used a different account that I had lying there. So, and it just got into the lobby the first time I tried. Now let me try getting back to my primary account to see if logging into a different account results to you being able to log into your primary account properly. So it does get me in, and that worked. If the problem is about getting into your account, if we're talking about that. But getting thrown out of the game is a whole different issue, and that's not the fix that I'm showing you here. Nor does my title imply that. But as we have seen in the first 2 minutes of the video, I guess, like if you get thrown out like that because of an error, you can probably get back in, because this happened like twice in the same video. So every time when your game crashes, every 2 minutes, I guess, you just need to keep trying, keep fighting to play this one fucking match that means the whole world to you. instead of getting some peace of mind. So let me try the first thing that I tried to do. I think that was the second step, like logging into your alternate account, getting into the game, and then getting out and logging back into your primary. But unfortunately, you can't even fucking play a game on your alternate account anymore. That step about like logging back to your primary just doesn't work the first fucking time, obviously. You have to restart the game and then try again. By this time, you probably should leave the video and feel like you have a lot better things to do than play this game. Let's just try out changing the DNS settings like all those YouTubers mentioned on their fixes, and how everyone was talking about how it doesn't work. Because what can work for you can possibly not work for someone else. It can happen. Because I played with so many people today, and a couple of them were facing the same issue as me, while the other guy was not facing any issue at all. And they were all from different servers. So if you've already reached this part of the video and wasted 7 minutes of your life, you're probably as desperate as me to be able to play. Or you're some streamer that needs to keep on playing because that's how you live your life and earn money. So whatever it is, this is all the bullshit that you need to go until the developers do fix this fucking issue. As if we have been through one single fucking season in the last 2 years without facing any of this bullshit. Well, that's it, guys. This is the fix. I wanted to create some timestamp for you guys where the two fixes were, but to be honest, I need to sleep. It's like 6 a.m. right now, and my voice keeps stuttering. So that's it for me.